So if you're using ManyChat, then this is a pretty cool trick that allows you to send any new YouTube video, your latest YouTube videos, to someone's messenger. All right, so here's how you do it. In ManyChat, you're going to go over here to broadcasting, then go to auto posting. You're going to use this button, the green button, and go to YouTube because you're grabbing your YouTube channel. You'll go over here to your YouTube account, go to My Channel, copy that channel ID, paste it, add YouTube channel. And then it's going to have your YouTube channel right here, and now it's linked. So any new video you post, it's going to send to your subscribers. It's going to send a little snippet from the video, a preview of it, and the link to it. So you can also set a filter. You can set the status, you can set the notification settings, set the time zone, but you can also filter. So you can set it to if they opted in through, your certain growth tool, or if they have a tag, or if they have different conditions like that. So it's pretty powerful. And if you're using it, let me know how it's working for you, but it's a great way to increase your YouTube subscribers and build up your brand awareness. Thanks for watching.